For more than 20 years, Endress and Hauser and Rockwell Automation have partnered to unlock value in industrial automation. Together, we help customers optimize processes for reliability, safety, efficiency, and sustainability. As plants move into the digital age, you need partners who deliver secure, real-time data and automation to improve maintenance and asset performance. Our technologies provide you with a 360-degree view of maintenance work in your plant. Natillion Connect securely links the Endress and Hauser IIoT ecosystem with Rockwell Fix CMMS, enabling automatic asset enrollment and real-time data sharing without costly development or manual entry. Natillion Health continuously monitors asset status and, when issues arise, creates detailed work orders in Fix with causes, remedies, and documentation. This means faster maintenance, accurate reporting, and insights for predictive and preventative strategies. Endress and Hauser and Rockwell Automation help you operate and maintain digital process plants with modern technology, maximizing performance and return on investment. Learn more about the opportunities available today.